Imagine savoring a plate of spaghetti, each bite bursting with flavor. But beyond the taste, Italian cuisine offers something even more remarkable, a path to better health. Welcome to our exploration of the health benefits hidden within the heart of Italian cooking. Contrary to popular belief, the richness of Italian food isn't just in its taste, but also in its nutritional value. Let's begin with the cornerstone of Italian cuisine, the Mediterranean diet. Renowned for promoting heart health and longevity, this diet is a celebration of fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Olive oil, a staple in Italian kitchens, is packed with antioxidants and good fats that lower cholesterol and reduce inflammation. But there's more. The vibrant tomatoes used in sauces are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that fights cancer and supports heart health. And don't forget about the garlic and onions. For those who love pasta, here's a delightful truth. When enjoyed in moderation and paired with fresh ingredients, pasta can be part of a balanced diet. Let's address a common misconception. Italian food is often labeled as indulgent and unhealthy. However, the traditional Italian diet, filled with fresh, wholesome ingredients, tells a different story. To further illustrate, let's hear from nutrition experts who emphasize the importance of portion control and ingredient selection in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So, next time you think of Italian food, remember it's not just about indulgence. It's about embracing a culture of health and well-being. Explore, indulge, and experience the true essence of Italian cuisine, a delicious way to nourish your body and soul.